Hello, my name is Teres,
My name is Rasmus.
and we're gonna show you our nature around Kehra, and we go to a short trip around Kehra. Now we have arrived on the stadium. Here our home club, Anna-Liisa, doing his football trainings. Now the season is over, and the football trainings are going to inside in the gym. And here also we can do some gymnastic push-ups and pull-ups.
And the stadium is also next to the river.
Now we are located in Kehra forest, where is situated our health tracks. Our health tracks are nearby stadium. Here's a little map where you can locate where you are or what kind of track you want to go.
This is Kaunissaare, translated into English. It means beautiful island. Lots of people camp here, some people swim here and go fishing here. It is also a part of Tallinn, our capital's water supply.
My story with this water place is that when I was young, my mom and dad always came here to swimming in summer, and I learned swimming right here at this place. Now we are at Avoya. Avoya is also a popular water place in Kehra. People in Kehra comes here in summer when the days are hot. Here people can swimming, fishing, and watch wild animals because this lake is surrounded by forest. This is Kehra Park, where people comes to jogging, walking, or just hang out with friends. And people who have animals like dogs usually come here and walk with their dogs.